What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, at the Jocelyn Smith trial, there is a witness who goes by the name Mr. P.A. Buddha. So, what this guy is saying in court is that he actually overheard Kelly speaking about this plan of going with Jocelyn Smith. So, after hearing about this plan, Kelly then somehow got to know that Mr. P.A. Buddha had actually overheard of this plan. So she then tried to convince Mr. P.A. Buddha to sort of like cover up this entire thing. So initially, Mr. P.A. Buddha refused to do this cover up, but somehow later on, Mr. P.A. Buddha then sort of like got involved in this cover up, and that was more of like concealing the information from the authorities themselves. But now Mr. P.A. Buddha is a witness in the Jocelyn Smith trial, and he is speaking and telling these events as they are. So what Mr. P.A. Buddha is saying in court is that Kelly herself was the main instigator, and himself, Mr. P.A. Buddha, he only got involved later on after the wrongdoing had been done. And all he did was just the cover up, that is like concealing the information from the law enforcement officials. So the way I'm seeing this now is that Mr. P.A. Buddha, he is sort of like trying the best that he can to clean his name in such a way that if investigators find any information during the investigations, they cannot use it against him as he has already revealed it in court. And if they somehow come forward with that information to him and try to arrest him, he can then request for a plea deal as he is already a state witness. So, looking at all of this, is Mr. P.A. Buddha throwing Kelly under the bus? Of course, he is. And he is telling it as it is. And all I can say right now is that the truth is definitely coming out. And we might be seeing a conclusion to this case coming very, very, very quickly. So tell me what you think about the testimony that was given by Mr. P.A. Buddha. I'll catch you guys on the next one.